This video will demonstrate how to use the Edit by Polygon filters in Data Editor. Begin by selecting an operation. The Edit by Polygon filters are located at the bottom of the filters list. The first of these filters is the Delete by Area filter. To operate it, click the pencil icon and draw a polygon in the left map. Double-click to close the polygon. Then click Apply. You can see that the area within the polygon is deleted. You can click the Eraser button to delete the polygon. You can also add additional polygons. Click the button in the top left corner to toggle the filter on or off. The Edit by Area filter allows you to choose specific attributes to edit within the map. For example, you can edit variety names by area with this filter. You can switch to whatever layer you would like to be displayed. And you can see the changes made in the right map. The Multiply by Area filter allows you to adjust attributes by multiplication within a certain area. To do so, select the desired attribute and enter the factor by which you would like to multiply. Then click the pencil icon and draw a polygon around the desired area. When done, click Apply, and the change will be displayed in the right map. The last of the Edit by Polygon filters is the Create Strip Trial filter. To operate it, click the pencil icon and draw a polygon around the desired area of the field. When done, click Apply, and you will see that a new layer is created. You can view this layer in the right map by selecting it from the drop-down.